Hey, I'm Andy. Let me ask you this. Are you planning to change your old washing machine? Check out the following review video, and you'll thank me after that.
Kenmore 25,132 top load washer with 4.3 cubic feet. Total capacity triple action impeller, white. Wash more. Large 4.3 cubic foot capacity washing machine washes more clothes, linens, and bedding in one load, and has a large stainless steel tub to bring your household long-lasting cleaning power. Advanced cleaning, Impeller keeps clothes moving during the wash cycle for a thorough cleaning, while providing a gentler, more efficient cleaning than average washers with agitators. Convenient and easy to use, top-load washing machine allows you to conveniently load your clothes, towels, delicates, and more from the top for easy access to the water basin. Customized cleaning features a bleach and fabric softener dispenser to treat, clean, and freshen clothes your way, and stain boost attacks tough stains without damaging fabrics. Washer dimensions measures 27.5 watts x 27.8 d x 43H and 51.2H when lid is open.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.